They picked me up. I've been in jail ever since and then got brought here. I didn't.
Do we have a showing? You know what? Chill. Chill.
I understand.
And see, sometimes, sir, if you just talk to your attorney and close your mouth.
I know the court would want to first address Mr. Rainey's bond violation.
Yes.
I know. Contacted the emergency number to see if he would have permission to go and stay with his grandmother in Indiana. Only reason he went there was because he did not have a place to stay. Judge, I'm sure that the court is familiar with Mr. Rainey. We've been back and forth. He is here today. He's taking responsibility for this.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
Nope.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
Nope.
Is that a nope?
No. Sorry, sir.
Court does call the case People versus Kyle Rainey.
Ashalani for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Kiriakamuli, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Kyle Rainey. Mr. Rainey, could you state your name for the record?
Kyle Rainey.
Thank you, sir.
Does you have in possession of the form in this matter?
Yes, I do.
I'm not sure if it's guilty or no contest plea. I hear you out and I didn't discuss that, but it will be one of the two, I'm guessing.
Your Honor.
Guilty, great. There is an offer to plea to an average count two of use of methamphetamine, a 1-year misdemeanor and or $2,000 fine. Contrary to MCL 3704042A. Upon a plea to that average count two, count one will be dismissed, which is a possession of methamphetamine, 10-year felony. There's no delay, no deferred, no 7411 being offered as a condition of this plea.
And that is our understanding of the plea agreement, Your Honor.
And also in reading the form, the court's understanding. May I have him sworn, please?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
State your name.
Kyle Rainey.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of use of methamphetamine. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up 1 year incarceration, $2,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand also that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Freshour in 1483 District Court. You understand that?
Understandable.
All right. Understanding all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir, I do.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind?
I understand that.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, I'm good.
Look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm on probation right now, felony probation for Hillsdale County.
Were you on probation on June 6th of 2024?
Yes.
All right. Court does have to advise you this could be a violation of your probation. You understand that?
Yes, I'll talk to her.
And if it is considered a violation of your probation, that other court could sentence you to the maximum allowable under that other charge. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
Nope.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
Nope.
Is that a nope?
No. Sorry, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense, sir?
Yes, sir.
On the date of June 6, 2024, at the location of Northfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, did you have methamphetamine in your possession?
Yes, sir.
Had you used it?
Yes, sir.
Did you know what you were using was methamphetamine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
The people are satisfied, Your Honor.
Defense is satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 1483 probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
February 3rd at 9 a.m. before
February 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour.
Can we address bond, Your Honor?
Have a shot. Go
Thank you,
ahead.
Judge. Judge, I'm sure that the court is familiar with Mr. Rainey. We've been back and forth. He is here today. He's taking responsibility for this. He was remanded at his last hearing due to the bond violation for him leaving the state of
Of
Michigan.
leaving the state of Michigan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm from Indiana.
And
I'm sorry to hear that.
you're,
Go ahead.
Your Honor, we just really wanted to address the court and see if the court would be willing to give Mr. Rainey another opportunity. The court he was in custody for nearly 7 months before our last hearing when he was released. When he got out, he realized he had nothing, had lost his home, lost everything that he had. He had a grandmother who lived in Indiana. And when he came out of the jail, he was sitting outside for about 5 hours before he was finally picked up from someone. He stayed in Indiana just for 1 day, Your Honor. He did return back to Washington. He indicates to me now that he has a stable.
Well, he didn't return back to Washington. Did he?
He did. He presented himself at the last hearing. He was remanded at that hearing. He wasn't picked up or.
Right, but he didn't come right back to Washington. He was elsewhere in the state.
I see Litchfield, that is right.
Litchfield is in
Yeah,
Michigan. Oh, I'm sorry, not Washington, in Michigan. I apologize, Your Honor. He returned back to the state of Michigan. He indicated to me he was only gone to Indiana for 1 day. Even knowing that he had that bond violation, he has been very much so willing and ready to take responsibility and resolve this matter. He came to court, presented himself to the court, knowing that he would likely be remanded for that violation. He was in contact with community correction. Since then, he had been testing for his other probation matter in Litchfield. Is it Litchfield?
Yes, let's be Hillsdale County.
In Hillsdale County, Your Honor. So
Where is he going to be residing?
Which would be my actual grandmother's house. I'm staying there. She told me that if I stayed out of trouble, I'd be.
But you went to your grandmother's house in Indiana.
I have 2 grandmothers on both sides.
Okay, so it's another grandmother's house.
Yes.
You have verification of that?
I have spoken with her and I can get verification.
I need written verification and then I'll take a look at it. But if this time it's found, it's denied.
Absolutely, Your Honor. I'll get that over to the court.
You're going to probably have to bring that to Judge Fresh Hour.
Thank you, Your Honor.